Hey guys, in today's video let's look at how to create a table in Microsoft Access. So you can start by going to the Create tab here, and then underneath it you'll see Table Design. So, in this video I want to create a table for student with three fields. So the first will be ID. So let's just go ahead and create that. ID, and here, so this is the field name, and next to it you have the data type. So the data type for ID, I'll set it to number, and next I will have first name, which I'll set it as data type short text. That's good. And last name, and I'll also set that as the short text. So the next thing that I want to do is set a primary key. So in this case, I want ID to be my primary key. So what you can do is select the entire row and then click on primary key here. And when that happens, you'll notice this key icon appears to the left. So you have set ID as your primary key. What if you want a composite key? So in this case, let's say you want a combination of first name and last name to be unique. So in that case, you can shift select the two columns, the two fields that you want to be as your composite keys, and then you'll see it highlighted, and then you just select primary key. So now you see two keys here. So the combination of first name, last name will be the primary key. But in reality, I guess ID works better. So let's just go ahead and unselect that and set primary key back to ID. Okay, so it looks good. We have a simple table here with three fields with ID as our primary key. What's left to do is we want to save and name our table. So let's right click the table one tab here, and then select save as, and so we'll just save it as student. Okay, so now you can see we have a table here on the left that's named student. So this is our design view. We can go to our datasheet view. So just right click the tab, go to datasheet view, and here you can see a blank table as expected. So let's go ahead and populate it. So we could, as an admin, I typically use either copy and pasting the data from Excel over here directly, and I'll show you that in another video. Or I just, if it's not that many records, I just use the datasheet view to enter them manually one by one. You could also create a form for your end user to enter the data into, and I'll show you that as in another video as well. So let's go ahead and see if it works. So let's say our first student's name is Tim Rover. Our second student's name is Roger Rose. And what you'll notice here is both have the same ID, which is our primary key. So when you go move on to the next one after entering Roger Rose as 0, it will say that it wasn't successful because it will create a duplicate in the primary key. So let's just go ahead, uh, change it to 1, and now we can save it. So yeah, so go ahead, save it, and so you've created your first table in Microsoft Access. Hope that was useful, and in the next upcoming videos I'll show you how we can build upon this, enter more data quickly, and create linked tables to this first student table. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.